Good evening, good evening, good evening. Sorry about the bad lighting. Let me step back because I know I'm dark. Tonight, I'm just going to prepare my dinner for tomorrow, which is called my version of easy pulled pork. It's very easy and simple if you start the night before and get it a head start on it. Now, normally I buy the whole pork shoulder where it takes 3 days to break down and let it break in marination to it. I found do my shorter version is you get you, uh, um, they do have sliced pork shoulders. Get you a nice sliced pork shoulder. It's the same thing, but it's just sliced. It's easy. It'll be more quicker than a full one. This one you can do it the night before and all that. Right now, I got it sitting in some vinegar, regular vinegar, and apple cider vinegar. I'm about to take it out and transfer it into this pan. And as you can see, I have all my seasonings. I have black pepper, pink sea salt, uh, paprika, onion powder, and garlic and onions. For my sauce, Worcestershire, ketchup, honey, Dijon mustard, and brown sugar. With the mustard, you can use yellow or Dijon. I usually use yellow, but today I'm using Dijon. Okay. And I got my pot on the back to read my sauce ready. Notice my stove is electric and not gas. That's why I can be able to sit all this on the stove. And then this heat here is type low. So it's on melt. So it's not going to get that hot. Oh, and also some butter. I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of butter. That's the knife. You're going to use 4 tablespoons of butter, which is half of the butter stick of butter. And you're going to let that in the pot and let it melt. So on the lowest heat setting that if you have an electric stove, if your stove's electric, like glass electric or electric, put it on the lowest setting, which is melt. If you have a gas stove, turn the fire down as low as you can get it. And that will work there. Okay, this back. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm working with. So now I'm going to drain this and get all the flavors and juices out. So I just want to drain this over the sink. And drain. Okay. Now, mind you, my meat is washed. Okay. I don't want to push that back. Thank you. Thank you. And you want to see what a cut pork shoulder look like. Ah. There we go. And that's what a cut pork shoulder looks like when you're doing pork or shoulder. So if you notice, it still has some of the fat around it. We're going to remove the fat as it cooks. That's for pulled pork. Now, when you're doing pulled pork, we have bones. So this is also I use the cut one because the bones are already cut. And I know how many bones are there for it to come out when I do the final presentation. So, let me set it aside a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Bring it down a little bit so you can see. Okay, that's better. So what you do is don't separate them, just lean them back like so. So this side, do as the same. this part that way. So you can have room to do stuff. And this is very easy to do. Once again, just bring it back like so. Now you can let this marinate overnight as well too, but not in this process. Okay. So that's how it looks when it's cut. It's basically the whole thing. First off, I'm using pink natural sea salt. Please do not use a whole lot of this salt. This is natural salt from the earth. This is not bleach salt. This is not table salt. It's pink salt. You can use pink or gray salt. The gray sea salt. Gray sea salt is like really great. And you can use that one. So now, just need to work you up situation. So we're going to get a sprinkle of salt. Notice I'm working with cups. This is how I measure stuff. Don't ask me how much, how many tablespoons, how many teaspoons. I don't know. I just measure. Now, I used to usually rub it in water at one time, but I actually like to rub the salt into the meat like so that it can get salty. Ooh. Yes. Real salt in here. Now, for that, once again, now you're going to add some black pepper, again, in my magical cups. I eyeball everything, so you can just eyeball how much to your taste. I need some for barbecue sauce. So again, just rub it in. Get it all onto the meat. Once again, this is a cut whole pork, bone on the side and everything. So we'll just next, we're gonna add your onion powder. You can add garlic powder, but it'll be too much garlicky because garlic is a very strong acidity. It's very strong. So I'm gonna use a lot of onion powder. The reason why I use a lot of onion powder is natural. Regular onions tend to lose flavoring at times during the cooking process. So you want to season real good. So just go in between real quick. And like I said, that's why I sprinkled the seasoning on top. Because whatever doesn't get in the middle, it falls into the pan. So when it makes its juices, in the pan it bends up and it seeps into the food that way. Now for coloring, I don't use Sassoon. I use paprika. You can use regular or smoke. This is regular. I usually use smoke, but I use regular right now. So what I have is regular. So you can use smoke or regular paprika. Just to give it that color and that taste. So, and again, you're pulling it off the bones anyway, so it's going to blend in anyway. Okay. Get you some garlic, chopped garlic. And normally what I'll do is in between each loaf, like a meat slab, whatever you want to call it, because normally we will do this with the whole one, but with the whole pork shoulder, you'll normally stick the whole clove in it. Just stab a hole in it and stick the whole clove in it to marinate for 3 days. This is not going to take 3 days to do. Like I said, this is my short version because I used the whole pork, but this is a short version. So just get used to what I'm doing here. Next up, where's the garlic clove here? Have one whole big onion, and basically you can just break it apart because pulled pork ain't good without onions. So I'm gonna put the onions all over top so they can soften and marinate into the meat as well. So this is one whole big gigantic sweet onion. Okay. Once again, I'm still on a diet, but I still cook. Always remember, I'm on a diet, but I always still cook unhealthy food. But it's not for me, it's for the house. Other people that's not on diets will eat regular food. Okay. I'm gonna add that to the pot now. So I get rid of the cup. But I do need black pepper inside the stuff. Now, I got my oven set at 85 degrees Celsius. So you want to do the math. If it's 85 in Celsius, what's the conversion in Fahrenheit? If your stoves set on Celsius for some reason, but I know the different conversions between Fahrenheit and Celsius. So 85 Celsius is basically like 185 degrees. In Fahrenheit, you put on 90 Celsius is like 97, 197 Celsius or 90 Celsius is like 197 Fahrenheit. If you push it to 100, you know 100 is the boiling point, which is 212 in Fahrenheit. We're not going to put it up to 212. 200, between 170 and 200, you can put it on. So I got mine set on 85, and it's going to cook very well. So now you're going to wrap this very good, tightly. Not loosely, but tightly with my oven light on. I need to see. I have to wash my hands. Come back to that. So remember to take notes of all the ingredients. Okay? Take notes. So I'm going to wrap this. I don't have my heavy duty for it. So I got to do the old school wrap one side. Then wrap the other. And make sure it's still tight. No work. And also, don't get me wrong, you can do this in a crock pot too. But we don't have a crock pot. It's the first to use the oven. And it cooks. It can cook from 9 to 8 o'clock in the morning. But to 9 in the morning. Up to 12 hours is the best. Yeah, 12 hours. Yeah. So 12 hours is the best one to cook it. When you open this oven and you're doing this, once it's in there, it's in there. Do not open it up until within 12 hours. So, nice slow cooking oven. Heat is on and ready to cook. Okay, I need some more iced tea. Give me 1 minute. And I'll be right there. Now, excuse me. This is diet tea. Oh, no sugar, freshly brewed, but dietary, which I like. So as you notice, I put the black pepper in with the butter already because I needed that cup to be out of my way. So now you're gonna add the butter is melted. I'm gonna show you. That's just that lump of black pepper there. So the butter is melted. Now I'm going to really turn up the heat to high. Show this shit on. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Okay. So this is a glass countertop. As you can see, the radiance of the heat, high fire right here, as I'm pointing to it. It's really hot. You can see how hot it is. It's no flame. Start the pot over. Add in my brown sugar. Like I said, no measurements. There's no measurements. So break it down. Peppers are hard. So you want to break the sugar down as much as what it looks like. But dark brown sugar. I like it. This is how I made my barbecue sauce as well. So. Once it gets like muddy tight, like now, it looks like. Once it get like this muddy looking tight, this is dark brown sugar. You're good to go. You can let it process even more to break it down, but no. Now you gotta add in Worcestershire sauce. And that's when you're breaking down the point of the sugar. It's that liquid. This down is that liquid. I'm sorry for y'all didn't see, but this liquid. So y'all can see better if I can move it up front. I got my stick. Okay. So basically, so y'all can see what I'm doing. As you add the Worcestershire sauce to the brown sugar, it will break up the brown sugar. So that's that. Next, go in the ketchup. So add in the ketchup. See, add in the ketchup. Can y'all see? Okay. Well, I'm adding the ketchup, so you know what I'm adding after saying. So you're just gonna add some ketchup. I don't care what kind of ketchup it is. I want this ketchup. This is called my equal parts barbecue sauce. And the reason I call it equal parts sauce is because everything is equal amounts on top of the stove. So I'm stirring my sauce. Let me see if I can get a good radius so it's part of the pole in the way. So I'm showing you a good radius of what I'm doing. So this is what's making the sauce. Just one at a time to break down everything. Ketchup is going to be lumpy. Mustard's gonna be non-feed. Everything's gonna be next. Dijon mustard. Like I said, if you don't want to use Dijon, you can use regular yellow mustard. Yellow mustard will turn it yellowish, and that's why I didn't want to use it. We'll turn it a yellow color, which is a pretty color. But Dijon mustard is not. It will lighten it up, but it won't be like this. Now all this is gonna break up and cook, and it's gonna translucent when you cook it. Right now, it's not at the actual temperature, so. You can smell it. It smells good. Okay. And last but not least, you're gonna add your honey. Now your honey, you can tell the weight of the cup is still in here, so it's gonna be a minute until the cup lightens up. You're gonna have honey in here. Now you can microwave it. If you microwave it, it will loosen the honey up even more. But I have a trick for that besides microwaving it. Spatula. So the spatula will get it all out. No problem. Because you raise the cup down. And now the cup is light again. And that's how you get all the honey out. So we're stirring the honey. And I'm not using a spoon. And that's it to the sauce. Now I just gotta let it cook to break down the mustard, the honey, and the Dijon. Excuse me. You'll let the sauce cook down, not down, but you're gonna let it cook to where it's gonna cook everything down, heat up all the nutrients and stuff, the mustard, the ketchup, so it can loosen, translucent, and blends in better. So right now, that's how you do this by one equal amount of sauce. My barbecue sauce, my flavorful sauce, anytime it's sauce I made, it's always make it with core equal amount of sauce. So this to be gone to your so basically the pork is in the show, the pork is in the oven. It's 9:06, perfect timing. That'll be out by 9 o'clock in the morning, hopefully. Or you can leave it in longer. It's up to you. Okay. So I thanks for everyone joining in today with me in this presentation. I'm going to come back tomorrow and show you part two of what it looks like when it's completely done. So thanks for tuning in for preparation of my shortwave version of pulled pork. I will see you later. Toodles.